Welcome
Please
to our
subscribe to
easy
YouTube channel.
English conversation zone. Today I'm sharing real
You are more
English
than free
sentences
to
used in daily
subscribe
work life
channel.
in Europe. If you want to speak naturally and confidently, this video is for you. Lesson 9 point. Let's get started. I start my shift with a
Subscribe.
clear mind. I try to focus from the beginning. I check my schedule first. A clear plan helps me work smoothly. I organize my tasks one by one. Organizing saves time. I follow the company rules. Rules keep everyone safe. I keep my ID card with me. It is necessary for work. I greet my coworkers with respect. Respect builds good relationships. I keep a positive attitude. Positivity brings good results. I maintain discipline at work. Discipline shows professionalism. I try to finish my tasks early. Early finishing reduces stress. I avoid unnecessary delays. Delays create pressure for everyone. I check my work carefully. Careful checking reduces errors. I fix mistakes before submitting. A corrected task looks perfect. I follow the instructions correctly. Correct steps bring good outcomes. I avoid shortcuts. Shortcuts create problems. I ask for feedback when needed. Feedback improves my performance. I practice English with my coworkers. Speaking helps me improve fast. I learn through daily conversations. Conversations make English easy. I listen to English carefully. Listening increases understanding. I try to talk without fear. Confidence grows with practice. I use simple sentences. Simple English works everywhere. I speak slowly and clearly. Clear speaking avoids confusion. I ask others to repeat if needed. Repeating helps me understand better. I learn new words at work daily. New words improve my vocabulary. I try to use those words in sentences. Practice helps me remember. I write down important phrases. Writing makes learning easier. I communicate with respect. Respectful communication builds trust. I avoid raising my voice. Soft voice creates peace. I handle difficult situations calmly. Calmness shows maturity. I stay polite even when busy. Politeness shows good character. I try to understand others' emotions. Understanding creates better teamwork. I stay away from arguments. Arguments damage relationships. I speak only when necessary. It saves time and energy. I listen first and then respond. Listening helps me answer correctly. I think before speaking. Thinking prevents wrong words. I keep my tone friendly. Friendly tone creates a positive atmosphere. I respect my manager's decisions. Managers guide us for better work. I follow the company's workflow. Workflow keeps work organized. I try to finish tasks before deadlines. Meeting deadlines shows responsibility. I clean my desk after finishing work. Clean desks look professional. I prepare for the next day. Preparation saves stress. I take my lunch break on time. Timely breaks maintain energy. I return to work with a fresh mind. Fresh mind increases productivity. I maintain a friendly environment. A friendly place makes work enjoyable. I keep learning every day. Learning keeps me growing. I try to upgrade my skills. Better skills mean better opportunities. I stay serious about my future. Serious people achieve success. I believe in hard work. Hard work builds confidence. I believe I can do better. Improvement is a daily process. I stay motivated for my goals. Motivation pushes me forward. I am creating a better future for myself. Every day I am making progress.